What's up guys, Martin Unix here, and welcome again guys to another men's styling session. Guys, today we are going to do inverted fishtail braid. I want to welcome you guys to share my work, comment and like. Welcome. We have just done the locks maintenance on our previous tutorial. I remember that we had issues at the crown area, and I well stipulated means and techniques on how to handle such situations. Guys, if you haven't gotten that, guys, you can just revisit my channel for such. So today guys, we are going to come up with a styling which can protect our crown area. And guys, I want to be doing inverted fishtail braid, because guys, inverted fishtail braid does not involve tension. So let's do that guys. So we are going to do simple sections. Our inverted fishtail sections will be simple, so we are going to move on with 2 lines. So that's how I'm gonna begin guys. Just interlock the lock strands that way. As you move on, I'm gonna begin at this side. Pick the first strand, let it lie low on the scarf surface. The second strand that way guys, just for the sake of our beginners. The third strand that way. Remember not to, not to draw a finger eight shape on this case. Remember guys, we are doing inverted fishtail braid, and inverted fishtail braid guys does not involve a finger eight shape. So just pick strands, hand them to the section as you work backwards that way. Just hand them to the sections as you move on and on. That's how you do the inverted fishtail braid guys. Remember, we have just said that on this particular case guys, we are going to do just simple sections. Just do some simple sections as we move on and on. So whenever you pick a strand, let it come over once. So guys, upon reaching this area, I'm just going to secure my sections at this point. So I'm gonna use one of the strands to do so. Alright guys, now we are going to do the right side, same way we have just done the left side. Just pick your lock strands and align them on the scarf surface that way. Pick additional strands as you work backwards. Make sure you overlap the lock strands once that way. Remember guys, we have just said that we're going to do a simple style just for the sake of our beginners, as well as choosing a style which can well conform with the nature of our hair condition. Since guys, we want to choose a style which will let the strands play loose on the scalp surface with no tension at all, and I've just chosen to do this inverted fishtail braid. It's very simple guys for our beginners. It's also an eye opener to our pro stylists. You can try out this. Just do additional strands as you move backwards guys. This is very simple, and it's a very loose style for lock strands which are in such kind of condition. Remember, we said that our lock strands and lots of breakages, so we want to choose a way now to maintain them so that we can you can nurture the hair strands which seemed to have been lost on the way, so that I can come up with voluminous lock strands as time goes by. Alright guys, just to touch more about the styling, that is, this is basically a loose hairstyle which well conforms with men's hairstyling techniques. So there are certain looks, guys, that you can give your male clients, and such looks at times might cope with your intentions. For instance, guys, we said that we want to give our look a loose hairstyle which will protect our lock strands from the roots, since when we were doing the hair transformation we realized that we had so many breakages at the roots. So we needed a simple style which can hold our lock strands together, but a style which won't break our lock strands further, since we are now correcting the errors which were there on the locks. We need to be keen on our protective styles. So I chose this style, and this is inverted fishtail braid. Guys, whenever you are doing your inverted fishtail braid, you usually overlap the lock strands once but not twice. Make sure you overlap the lock strands once as you move on with your styling. Alright guys, now we are approaching the crown area, and remember that this is the area which was very delicate when we were correcting the errors which appeared to be at this area. And since we want to maintain a good health of the hair strands at this particular area, that's why we chose to come up with this inverted fishtail braid, which does not incur tension on the scalp surface. So let's begin, guys. Pick your first strand, let it lie low on the scalp surface. Pick your adjacent lock strand, overlap it that way. As you work backwards, pick additional strands. Remember that not to draw the finger eight shape. Just pick strands and overlap them once that way, guys. As you move on, pick additional lock strands. I will be bringing more tutorials, guys, which will be more informative to our beginners. I kindly request you guys to share my work to your friends. Like my work, comment and share to your friends. Guys, you can as well support the channel, guys, by joining membership. This is our final look. You can have a look, guys. It's a very nice style. It's amazing. It's truly amazing, guys. You can have a look. The front area and the clips lineup. This is truly amazing, guys. Now the chunky look at the back, guys. Our low pony gives that chunky look, which now gives that touch of men's look in our styling. You can try out this one, guys. Truly amazing. It's a quick style for our beginners, guys. I want to challenge you to perfect this. I hope my tutorial was truly educative to our beginners, and it's truly amazing style, guys, for your male clients. Stay locked, guys, for more tutorials to come. Share my work, like and comment. You can as well, guys, support the channel by joining membership. Thank you, guys.